So, we're down in the shop. This is one of my favorite places because in the artistry realm in country music, the gratification is so delayed. But in the wood shop, it's like instant gratification. You know, you make something, you put it together, and then boom, there it is. So I kind of combine that with this hole over here. That's just kind of a testament to our DIY career so far. It was just like, hey, you know, we need to take our show up a notch in any way, form possible. And so I just went to the old hardware store and got some lumber, got some 2x4s, chopped them all up, made them myself, and that's what we took around the country. Those were the things that we like jumped up on and like played a guitar solo, and our first banners or anything we had, you know, take the show up to the next level.